Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to make stair go down. So for example, you can draw wall in here. Okay, we create simple floor plan and I will insert door objects in this point. Now you can create for the stair with this wheel tools. Go to stairs and I will use strike style. I will use this strike style and you can place at this point. After it, you can go to the perspective view. I will use the full overview. And in here you can select the objects. But first I will create new foundation. You can click this icon and I will set build foundation. Click OK to apply and then OK again. So to create the stair down, you can select stair objects and then you can click at this point, move to front here. So to be create the stair go to down. Okay, you can increase again. And that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to make stair go down. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.